Come here.
Yeah.
God, I wish you would have recorded that.
I didn't even think about it.
No, Caitlin.
Caitlin. Back up just like 2 feet. She won't do it again. I bet. Or I'll turn off the camera and she'll do it. Right as I turn off the camera.
Stop.
No! Hey! I'm recording.
You know that scared the shit out of me.
She's like... As soon as she sat down, she was like, oh, help me! She's like, oh shit, I'm going overboard. Ah!
Push it.
Don't push her.
I'm not gonna push her. I'm gonna act like I'm going. Here, Caitlin, stand right here. Stand right there.
She's like, I'm not stupid.
I'm gonna hang her upside down. Oh my God! You're okay, Caitlin.
She's not even crying.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.